All right, so the last part of the project is to figure out how much it's going to cost you per month for 5 years based on your car. So we had a car that cost $82,000. With tax, it came to $86,920. So this was the cost of the basic car. And then tax gave us this much. And then with the interest, and I hope you realize, even at 3% interest, which is pretty low, it adds a lot of money. With interest, now we're talking about $100,764 for this car. Now, again, we're talking about an expensive car. Very few people can afford to buy a car that costs $82,000. Most people are going to look to buy a car that's, if it's a new car, $30,000 hopefully or less, depending on what it is. Used cars, even cheaper. And sometimes used cars are better deals anyway. But the numbers here are crazy, but that's the kind of the point. What I wanted you guys to see is just how expensive things are in real life. So if we take this as our total cost, and what we're going to do is we're going to spread that cost over 5 years. What that means is 60 months, right? Because there's 12 months in a year. 5 times 12 is 60. So the way to find your monthly cost, your monthly payment, which is what we're asking you to put in the last slide of your Google slideshow for this, is to take the cost, which is this, the total. Total, meaning everything. Interest, sales tax, and divide that by 60 payments. I said 60 months, but what I meant was there's 12 months a year, 60 monthly payments, really. So divide this by 60, and what we get is 100,764 divided by 60, payments of 5 years times 12. That means to buy that $82,000 car, it would cost you $1,679 per month. So we could talk, what we'll do after that's all said and done is talk about how much you'd have to earn per hour in a job in order to afford that, not counting your rent and all your other expenses. But so this is the calculation. So basically you're going to take the total and divide by 60.